Hello guys, good morning. Today is the first day of this tram. So I will be one of the first to experience this tram train here in Dubai. Today is November 12, 2014, and I'm here to experience this. I don't see any other people here. Yeah, there are some people here. Oh, it's automatic, yes. Yeah, so this is the tram station. Stop here. Jumeira Lakes Tower Station here. It looks there are already some people here. So as I understand, so when you get inside this tram station, you must have your NOL card, and then you need to tap it here in this machine. So it's like this is the entrance gate, like the metro station. It's written in here, tag your NOL card or ticket on the validators before entering and after exiting the tram. Fines will be issued to offenders. So very important to do that and follow the rules. Looks like I'm the only one who is excited to take a ride in this tram. Very less people. This is a small train station. It's compared to the Dubai metro station. That's just that one. It's a smaller, like maybe half of the metro station, small as that. And a lot of reminders that you're going to see in here, like that: no smoking, 200 dirhams penalty, cycling is prohibited, no chewing gums, no food and drinks, queue to one side and let passenger off the tram first, things like that. And this machine is where you can recharge the NOL card. It's the same NOL card that we are using in the metro Dubai. So as you can see, this is wireless, powered by electricity, but maybe it's down under the train, I don't know. Look, already there are some people inside, so let's get inside also. And very important, I have this card. So these are some of the few guys that will experience this tram. Just like me. Let's see how it is going to open. Oh, it's automatically opening. And this is how it looks. It's nice. Like everybody are taking pictures. So two stations of Dubai Tram is connected to Dubai Metro Station, which are Dubai Marina Station and Jumeira Lakes Tower Station.
Doors closing.
So there is a driver inside this tram, as you can see that one. It's compared to Dubai Metro train, there is no driver. Already there are some designated, as you can see here, priority seating and women and children. So this place is for women and children, and some signboard here written: no eating, no drinking, the penalty of 100 dirhams. Jumeira Station, which is connected to the Dubai monorail. This Dubai monorail is going to the Jumeira, which is going to Atlantis Hotel. Yeah, I think, I'm not sure. I never been there. So this tram station is going to benefit the people working here in Dubai Marina Major City, Internet City, Knowledge Village, and yeah, most of the people that wants to go to Atlantis, so they are those who's going to benefit with this. This place is called Knowledge Village. In here, you're going to see a lot of schools, university.
المحطة الثانية هي السفوح وهي آخر محطة. The next station is Sufouh, which is the last stop. آخر محطة. This is Sufouh, which is the last stop.
So this is the Al Sufouh. They said it's the last stop of this train, and I don't know if I need to go back or take taxi to go to work. I don't know yet. Look, so some of these people are trying to experience this thing. So as you can see, that's already the. You can see that is already the Burj Al Arab and Jumeira Beach Hotel. So it's very close. You can just walk. So thank you for watching, guys. Ciao. So I'm going back to Jumeirah Lakes Tower Station. I think it will be the same and the same people that are here before.